Good morning, everyone. Where we have over 100 hives for us to build more nucleus hives, more catcher boxes. Okay, though we have the plastic ones that we have done.
Oh, you will leave this one
and
for
we'll
the other
be
one.
producing 15 more catcher boxes.
So this
Do you
one
know
now
why
is
it is very important?
17.
Because not all bees will locate these hives.
Wow.
Okay, so the more boxes or catcher boxes you make, or the more swarm traps that you make, and spray them in different locations, the higher your chances of getting new bee colonies.
No.
Yes, and this is one of the ways you can expand in your aviary
swarm
project
traps and
or venture.
hives.
We have 4 ways that you can expand. One is getting catcher boxes, getting nucleus or swarm trap buckets. 2 is by hive splitting. Okay. 3 is through queen rearing. 4th one by baiting your hive. So they are all essential to how one can expand in his or her beekeeping venture. So I'm happy to be here. I'm happy that the Faculty of Agriculture has appointed or chosen Slasita Farms to be their resource trainer. Okay, and we are glad that this offer came, because when you're good at what you do, people will actually look for you.
A few moments later.
So these are the colonized hives presently situated here in this apiary. Others are still in different locations. That's number 2. And I'm taking record of all the colonized hives. Number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6.